Buenos dias. Hey, do you guys have questions about how to get money out of a Mexican ATM, or confused about the fees or the conversion rates, or just mad about maybe getting ripped off? Well, today I'm going to go ahead and pull some money out of an ATM and show you how I do it, and hopefully you guys can learn some tricks. I'm right now at an HSBC ATM. I like HSBCs mostly because they're usually in a plaza or in a secure location, so it makes it safe to get money out. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Troy, and welcome to Silver Fox in Mexico, and let's go get some money. Okay, so here's HSBC's ATM machine. If you look, it's got a nice security guard, so it protects you when you put your PIN code in there, and it also tells you, how to put your card in there. Some of them are horizontal, some of them are vertical, and it also gives you a nice thing in English to let you know if you don't speak Spanish. So first of all, today what I'm using is a Charles Schwab, upside down, Charles Schwab bank debit card. I like these guys for two reasons. One is that they don't have a minimum balance, so I can keep a low balance in there, and if I need to put more money I can just transfer it. And the other thing is that they reimburse all my fees at the end of the month. So whatever the Mexican ATM bank charges me, they put that money right back into my account at the end of the month. All right, so let's go ahead and get some cash. So the first thing we're going to do is I put the card in the machine. It's asking me to wait. Now it wants to know my code, so let me go ahead and put the code in. Put the code, hit continue, and now it's asking me what I want to do. You can see it's also in English. I want to withdraw retiro de efectivo. Hit that. I want to pull it from my checking account in this case. Now it's going to ask me the peso amount that I want. So today I want to pull out 700 or 7,000 pesos. All right, so now it's asking me right up here, do you want to receive a receipt? Come down to C or yes, hit that. Now it's asking me if I want to donate to a cause. Today I don't feel like donating, so I'm going to hit no, I don't. Now here's the part. It says, do you agree to these fees? And it's telling you right there the fees. You have to say yes. I have yet to find an ATM machine. If you hit no, it will let you do the transaction. If you hit no, it's going to kick you out and cancel the transaction. So in this case, I want to hit yes. Okay, took too long, so I'm going to hit yes. There you go. Okay, now this is the part you want to decline. This is the exchange rate. So it's asking you to accept or decline. I'm going to decline. Why? Because my bank, Schwab, is going to give me a much better rate, okay, than what the local ATM is. Right here it's telling me to take my money. It's spinning it out. Right there. Toma tu dinero. That's where the money's going to come. Okay, so then I just go ahead and I pull the money out. I'm going to quick put this in my pocket. Now it's coming over here to give me a receipt. And now it's asking me, do I want to do another transaction or I want to finish? In this case, I'm done. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the finish button. And now you want to grab your debit card. Okay, you want to go ahead and pick your card quick. And the reason why you want to get your card is sometimes the ATM machines, what they'll do is if you don't withdraw your card immediately, it'll suck it back into the machine, and then that's a big hassle. So I hope you learned something. This video was helpful. If it was, please go ahead and give me a nice like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And if you could help the channel out and share this with somebody else that you know that lives in Mexico, or if you're living in Mexico and have friends that have complained about the high fees and how to use an ATM machine, I would really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.